Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn. Now, well, welcome, and oh, I have a tutorial for this. Yeah, it actually, you can close it, put a pin or something, but it's, might fix myself up here, goodness. It's a shrug, yeah. All right, so I'll link the tutorial above and in the description box. Okay, we're talking about scarves today. Crochet scarves. All right, now I showed you these. I showed you one as I think a finished object, and the other one as a whip. Well, the finished object, what do they call those? Unfinished? Finished object? I don't know. But anyway, I did show you this one, okay? And I got to thinking, I had a ball, still like a ball this size or something of yarn. So why not use it all up and make some fringe on the bottom? Ta-da! Yes, I did the other end too. So there it is. Now this scarf is officially done. All right, so this was a challenge, if you hadn't heard, by Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. So I'll link her challenge below. She has a tutorial for this. I'll link that below as well. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's so squishy and warm. It feels like it would be very warm for someone. Yeah, and when I started making this, it was very cold here in Winnipeg, as it was in a lot of places in North America. We got a lot of snow, and then that went away, and now we've got above normal weather, above normal temperatures. All right, so that one now is officially finished. Isn't it gorgeous? And I talked about the yarn in the one of those other videos. Oh, I have it here. All right, I have the labels. I love this yarn. It's a Hobby Lobby yarn that one of my beautiful Americans sent to me. It's a 4-weight acrylic. I can't remember what hook size I used. Huh. Do I have that in this bag? Because no, of course not. Why would I? So I showed you this other one as a whip. And I also put fringe on this one. So this one's super long. It's blue and kind of a cream color, and then blue, and then a cream color, and then blue. It's very long. And this yarn was gifted to me. No, it wasn't. Well, it's kind of gifted. I mean, she gave me 5 big bags of yarn and only wanted $10. So that was Sarah's little corner of the crochet world. So I'll link her below as well. So these are Craft Your Square knitting yarn. It says 100% polyester actually. And they're sparkly. I don't know, can you see the sparklies? Is it picking it up? So yeah, so it doesn't give a lot of excuse me, information on these things. But I used 5. My plan, and it worked out, was to start with the blue and then go right to the very end of the blue yarn and then tie on the next color so that I would use up every bit, except a little tiny bit, when you tie them together. But use up all the balls. So 5 balls, all used up. Actually, I had a little bit left of the blue, but not enough to make fringe. Well, guess what? I had another blue one, so I just stole out of that one. So I used a little bit of that one too, tiny bit, just to make the fringe on the ends. So yeah, so I was mentioning about the temperatures being warmer, like above normal temperatures here in Winnipeg, because a couple of people really could have used these when it was like -40. Yeah, -40 Celsius is the same as -40 Fahrenheit. That's where they level off on the temperature scale. So that, yeah. But now it's so nice out. We went to, +7 one day, +7 Celsius, and I'll put the Fahrenheit on the screen because I can't remember exactly what that is in Fahrenheit. So anyway, 2 scarves done. And I'm working on a shawl. Working on a shawl. I didn't get a lot of crocheting done on the weekend. I thought I would. How do you guys spend your weekend? Do you go out and about on weekends, or do you crochet, or work on some other craft? I've gotten into paper crafting more, and I showed the junk journal I made that I had talked about in one of my videos, one of my Temu haul videos. Yeah, so I showed that on Friday, that junk journal. It seems like just when you think you're done with it, done decorating it and stuff, and you look through it and make sure you have all your little, like, for those of you who make junk journals, this is like my 3rd one. I couldn't remember what number. I think it's the 3rd one. I'm actually working on a 4th one now. When I get the chance, I do a little bit of that on there. I do a little bit of that paper crafting. But, you go through your journal, you make sure all your tuck spots and all your pockets and whatever are filled with something. And so I was doing that, and then it's like, I could add something extra to this page. And so you start gluing stuff on, and yeah, it's like, okay, just stop it. Just stop it. But your creative mind gets going, right? It's like when you're crocheting, your creative mind starts going. You may be following somebody else's tutorial, and then it's like, okay, like with this one, it's like, I might as well make fringe, I might as well use up the last little ball and make fringe. It's okay, those are done. Those are done. I don't think I could do anything else to them. Unless make an applique and then sew it on. No. Do we know when to ever end? I don't know. But anyway, all right, so I think that's it. So I'll see you guys soon. I'll have that tutorial for that shawl up this week. Yeah, so looking forward to getting it finished, getting it out to you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. So I'll see you all again soon. All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.